Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing the PS5 and also the accessories that I got for starting the PS5. For the PS5 specifications, check out the screen and also on the description below. This version of the PS5 is the CFI 1215A. I got the PS5 last December 2022. And so the PS5 that I got is the disc edition of the CFI 1215A, and that version includes the God of War Ragnarok, the digital version. Yeah, unfortunately it doesn't come with the disc. It comes with the digital version that you download from the PS Store. There's a link about the article regarding the PS5 releases. PS5 comes with a DualSense controller, comes with the manual, the bottom display stand that includes the attachment screw. You just slide it open on the bottom and you'll see the screw attached in there. The power cord, it also includes the HDMI cable. The HDMI cable is not that long enough, so that means I'll be using another set of HDMI cables. And it comes with the USB-C to USB cable that can charge your accessories, including controllers. Also on the bottom of the PS5, you have to remove the rubber cap cover, and then there's actually a place inside the display stand. Place it inside to hold it in place and not lose it. At the same time, you take out the holding screw and install the display stand on the bottom. It's better to just tighten it by hand and not overdo it. This at least reduces the chances of damaging the screw and also the thread hole inside the PS5 on the bottom. First accessory to unbox. So this is the Be Quiet M.2 SSD heatsink. And this PS4 game is the Red Dead Redemption 2. I know it's been out for a while, but I actually haven't had the chance to try it, so I got it at the same time just recently along with the PS5. So I decided to go for the Crucial P3 Plus, the 4TB storage SSD M.2 PCIe NVMe for the PS5. I also got the dual charger for the PS5 controllers by Insignia. This Insignia dual charger is made for the PS5 DualSense controllers. I got an extra Sony PlayStation DualSense wireless controller as well, the red one. And these are the HDMI cables that I got.